Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by Flux to Flex. Nice. Okay, enhance this image with Korea, then expand to this. Just touch add surroundings with Adobe Photoshop. The image is this. Nice lighting, yeah? Beautiful. Okay, from this enhanced base image, make line drawing type image with fine edges on Adobe Photoshop. Then change blend mode to luminosity, opacity 50%, add over this base image. Then I got this halftone image. Then duplicate base image, change blend mode to color, max opacity, add over this halftone image. Got this very nice amber color, sunset color, yeah? Okay, then again duplicate base image, change blend mode to overlay, max opacity, add over this image. Got this nice contrast from this to this. Nice. Okay, let me make group. Then I'm gonna fix this image as a one layer better image. So duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Alright? Now turn off this better layer. Then in this group, duplicate this line drawing type layer. Double. We got the nice light image as a base image, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna add nice model's face from this better layer. Turn on, add mask, invert this mask. Okay, open with soft brush, airbrushing to soft brush. Pick white, then max opacity. Very soft edge, yeah? Nice reflection from this side, yeah. Assume there is a nice building wall or something. Okay, only her face. That's all. This is it. Alright, now duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer, delete this mask. Then change blend mode to yeah, this is better. Okay, keep it linear burn. We can tone down. Now I'm gonna add white layer over this. Add layer. Fill this layer with white. Then change this layer to clipping mask. Alright. Then I'm gonna add painting on this white clipping layer to show this dark. Okay, not much. Change brush, drawing to evolve. Okay, color is maybe about this. Okay, now I'm gonna smudge this painting. Change tool to smudge tool. Textures same drawing to evolve. Okay, a little bit makes sense. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now, it's pretty simple image. Okay, I'm gonna add gradation colors on background. Now add layer, Then nice sunset color. Okay, go from this orange, change brush to soft brush. Okay, now add mask. Invert this mask. Before open this mask to show gradation color, I want to add white layer underneath. So duplicate this white clipping layer. Change this upper clipping layer to regular normal layer, no clipping. Then add mask. Now, okay, brush is evolve. Change color to black. Then very thin opacity, big size, right? Okay, now open this gradation color mask. Brush is same evolve. Change color to white. Okay. Open from about this size, alright? Okay. Then I'm going to emphasize colors of this gradation layer. Add layer, change blend mode to color burn. Now emphasize this sunset color. Brush is changed to soft brush. Much more saturated color, yeah? Okay. Now I will show model's image. Open this mask. Okay. Brush is add texture of this evolve. Okay. Then change tool to smudge tool. Smudge to blend background. Okay, let's see model's face. More details. Okay, now I'm gonna add color layer very top. Change blend mode to color. Just a touch. Magenta wish color on her face makeup. Okay, not much, but I'm gonna add catch light and highest light on her face. So duplicate this line drawing type image. Move this one all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Lighten so much, so beautiful, yeah? Add mask. Invert this mask. Open this mask. Nice catch light. Then highest light. So nice. Alright, see. Okay, now overall image, details, fix some. Okay, now let me see. Overall image, I want to add much more warm colors. Okay, I think that's it. Alright, from this enhanced base image, add line drawing type image, luminosity blend mode, color blend mode, then overlay blend mode. Over this base image, add linear burn blend mode, dark color. Add painted white clipping layer, not much, some greens, shadow area. Then I add model's better image wet mask, that's all, only for her face. Then I add gradation colors on sky area, then reflections. Okay, then add color blend mode, paint on this to emphasize colors. Then to show this background gradation colors, add white layer, sort of white border with mask. Then add some color blend mode to warm up overall image. Then lighten her highest light, catch light and key light. Like so. That's nice. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. Thank you.